bienvenidos. As you guys can see from the title, today we're doing Partners in Crime Project Ban. What is this? Update number 4? I think it is update number 4. Yes, it is, you guys. Woo! We are in May, which makes me happy that we're getting closer to warm weather, even though yesterday was 78, today was 50. It sucks right now for us in where we live, but I am seeing the light at the end of the tunnel where I will be wearing short sleeves very, very soon. So anyway, you guys are here for a Project Pan. I'll talk about my misery and my upsettingness of this weather. Did that even make any sense? I don't know, you guys. Okay, you guys. You know the drill by now. Check the description box for anything you need to know about this Project Pan, who created it, what the rules are, the playlist. I'm sure you guys are going to see it a lot on your feed. If not, you're probably doing this Project Pan as well. I have my 6 products all laid out here. We're ready to update you guys on it. But first, if you're new, welcome. Alejandra, I go by Alex. Eyeshadow enthusiast with a dash Project Pan. If you like that kind of content and you want to continue to see it, subscribe and join us. And now let's get on with this update. Okie doke, you guys. Here are my 6 products. Let's start out with the one that has been giving me, without using bad words, the worst time ever. Look, I will say this. At least I know that, goodness gracious, even though the prices are a little bit high, you are getting your money's worth 100%. So the first product I want to mention to you guys is this one. This is the Natasha Denona. Natasha Denona. She's telling me, no, you ain't panning this. I rolled in the shade Glow, which is a cream base, you guys. Oh my gosh. It looks like I've done nothing. Show you in the last photo. And it looks almost identical. Can you guys see that dip in there though? Can you see that dip? My goodness, give me some credit over here. This thing, it's actually matching my shirt. Okay, so this thing, let me tally up how many times I've used it because I have been keeping track just for my own sanity because it is driving me nuts that I still have yet to hit pan on this. And I've been using this now going on 5 months. Okay, you guys, I have used this thing 79 times. No, actually 81 times because of today and yesterday that have not been accounted for. So 81 times, you guys, 81 times. And I still have yet to hit pan on this thing. I've been using this every single time I have worn makeup. I'm wearing it today. It is a beautiful product. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It doesn't feel like I'm dragging or it's annoying to use. It's beautiful. The color is gorgeous. This is a really, really nice product. It's beautiful on the skin. It's just, I can't hit pan on this thing. Look at it. See how beautiful that is? It gives you a really nice glow. So it livens up my cheeks because I only put it right here on my cheeks. It livens it up and it doesn't look that pinky glow. See how it looks really nice on the skin? It doesn't give you that super stark pink look that some other products do. My goal is pan, you guys. This is the deal with this. Next month is a rollout, which means that if by then I don't hit pan on this, then it is what it is. By the next update, I can guarantee you I will hit 100 uses on this. And let's see if I hit pan then. If not, I'm rolling this out because there's other shades that I want to use for the summer months when I have a tan than the pink one. I want to use a gold version of this. So I'm going to end up keeping this for 1 more month, you guys. 1 more month to see if I hit pan. And I'm not digging either. So that's to show this is worth it. And I didn't pay the full $89 for this. I believe I paid $40 for this. Worth 100%. All right, up next is my foundation. You guys, we're getting close. This is the Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation. This is the progress we've had. First update, second update, third update, and here is where we are now. Can you see that, you guys? I have this month and that's it. I don't have another month with this guaranteed. I'm wearing it today. This is the only foundation I've been wearing since the beginning of this year. So this 5 months for a foundation, that's actually pretty good. Foundations typically last me 5 to 6 months. I can go through 2 foundations a year. Full bottle, I mean like not half used, completely full, I can use 2 foundations a year. So this is going to get used. I'm hoping by next month this will be rolled out because it will be June and I will have I already started to get a tan, you guys. When I take off my watch, I already see the difference in shade. I already got a tan on my arms from the soccer games we've been going to, and it's not even been that warm, you guys, and I already have a shade change on my arms, and that's me wearing sunblock. So I know by next month I'm gonna be a little bit darker. So I am so happy that the progress with that foundation, it's working, and I can finish that off by next month. So it's still in the running. So I still got 2 products in the running. All right, this I rolled in last month. This is the Urban Decay Protest Lipstick. I'm using this as a cream blush. This is how much we have left of it. I obviously have shown you a picture of where we were the last month. I should be done this by next month. I am wearing this today, and you guys can clearly see that you can see some of it. It's a beautiful shade, beautiful shade. I feel like this is a cream lipstick that I see a lot of cream blushes with. So this is really, really nice, and it sheers out to be this beautiful cream color. Look how pretty that is, see? I really like it. See, can you tell? It's a really, really beautiful product. And I'm happy I'm actually using this as a cream blush because I prefer this shade more like a cream blush than I do as a lipstick. Surprisingly, even though I did use quite a bit of it already as a lipstick before I brought it in. So this is also still staying because I have not hit my goal of finishing this up. Okay, you ready for the last 3, you guys? Here we go. This is the Anastasia setting spray that I had in here. We started out right there, then we came over here, and now we are done. I enjoyed every bit of it, you guys. Really, really did. And I love the fact that the straw tilted to the end because it allowed me to get every little last bit of this. Keeping this bottle, I'm so happy that I used up a setting spray this year, you guys. Now I'm down to 1 left. I really enjoyed it. You guys have given me great suggestions on what to try next when I want a dewy setting mist. So I will look into them for the fall winter time when I am ready to get there. Right now I'm actually contemplating whether I should get a matte setting spray for the summer. I haven't decided yet because I haven't bought one in a while. But I'm happy this is done. All done. I got 1 rollout. Up next is my Laura Mercier concealer. I was actually working on this side. Couldn't remember. The brightener side. So I'll show you where I was before. And you guys, I finished it. Completely finished this one. It was nice until the end. Not my favorite. If I ended up getting this as a gift or as a gift with purchase or a sent in PR kind of thing, I wouldn't mind using it again. But for me to buy it, I've found better. I have found better. So it's not terrible though. I will say that it's not terrible. I'm just not in love with it. I like it, but I'm not in love with it to want to buy it. I get to roll this out. You guys, I finished 2 concealers this year because I already finished one side this year and now I finished this side this year. So rolling out. And last but not least was my MAC Absolutely It lip liner. I had mentioned to you guys when I rolled this in, it was getting dry. It's the Pro Longwear formula, so it's more of a creamier formula. So I realized that as every time I would sharpen it, it would either break or it was hollow in the center. It was moving around. It was a little bit drying to work with. So I'll show you where I was before, and you guys, I finished it. And not because I used it a ton, like I did get a lot of use out of it, but a lot of it had to do with whenever I would sharpen it, it would break off. Whenever I would sharpen it, it wouldn't sharpen all the way. So I had to keep sharpening. So a lot of it kind of went to waste, but I did end up using it. It was a pretty shade, and I found a specific lipstick mixed with it that gave me such a beautiful shade on my lips. So I got another lip liner done. I wish I would have gotten more use out of it, but it was my fault for keeping it for so long and allowing it to dry a little bit in the center. So that had to do something with it. But for the sake of this project pan, I finished another product and a lip liner for the year. All right, you guys, so that means we are rolling out 3 products and we're rolling in 3 more products. Here we go. First up, I am rolling in this setting spray. This is my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This one was gifted to me by my friend Lisa. She gifted this to me during Christmas. So I've only had this since Christmas time, like January is when I got her package. And I've used it a little bit. You guys can see, like, I'm about right here. So I'll mark it. My goal is to finish this off. This is a really nice mist. It's a nice mist, and I do notice that this doesn't make me super oily and it doesn't make me super matte. It's like right in the middle. I'm kind of digging this. I'm scared to see how much this is though. So my goal is to finish this off, so I'm rolling this in. This is my last and final setting spray. Unless I get this in a gift with purchase or as a gift, this is my last setting spray officially for this year. You guys, since I already finished up 2 lip liners, I gotta do another lip liner, you guys. Now, this one is my last Fiona Styles lip liner. This is one of my favorite formulas, and I'm so sad, and this is one of my favorite shades, but it's perfect for the summer. I thought about picking another one, but it is my favorite shade, and it is starting to separate itself, like it's wiggling a little bit in the packaging, so I do want to use this up. This is the color New Amsterdam, so this is where we are. You guys, this is going to be so easy and fun for me to use. I love this color. It's a warm peachy nude. Oh my goodness, I love it, with a hint of like orange. It's more like apricot-y. Love this shade. I love to put this all over my lips and just put a lip gloss over it. I love it. Love this shade. But my goal is to finish this up. I have a feeling this is going to be here for at least 2 to 3 months, but I really like this. Last but not least, I am bringing in a product that'll be long-term. Because my long-term products seem to be almost out, I'm bringing in something long-term for the second half of the year, and that is this, you guys. This is the Mally Shadow Stick in Topaz. Now, this I broke not once, not twice, but 3 times, because I don't learn my lesson to not roll this up. So I cannot roll this up. You guys can see how dirty this is. It's dirty from it being just smashed in here. So here's the deal with this. I want to finish this up. No ifs, ands, or buts. I don't care how long it takes me. If it takes me till December of this year to keep it in this project pan, I'm going to do it. I already mentioned this is a long-term product. This is an amazing and beautiful color. I love this. I have no issues with the product at all. The formula is so good. It blends. It sits in my waterline beautifully. I can put it all over my eyeshadow or my lid, and it works fine with anything. I don't know where I am at with this. I don't know how much product I have left in this. So I'm going to have to weigh it, because once I roll up, I can't roll back down. I have broken this so much that I'm letting it be, and I'm just going to go with the flow and just weighing it for you guys. My intentions completely are to finish this up. This will be my long-term product. I want to get this done because I've broken it enough. I've mangled it with it enough. It's been exposed to the air enough times where I'm ready to finish this off. I don't have a dupe for this in my collection. I went through all of my shadow sticks to see if I had anything similar. I don't. And I love this shade. I love it so much. And this is a limited edition shade, so I just got to use it up. I'm going to love it till the end, and I think it'll be perfect for those days where I don't want to use a lot of shadow in the summer and just have something bronzy on the eyes. I think this is going to be perfect. So this is my long-term product that I'm rolling in, and my final product I'm bringing in. So you guys, let's recap real quick. I rolled in 3 products. This foundation should be done, so I should have 1 rollout. This lipstick should be done for next update. That'll be 2 rollouts. And this is my Natasha Denona Glow product base. I'm going to roll it out whether I hit pan or not. So you're going to at least have 1 rollout guaranteed. And for whatever reason I don't finish these 2, they'll be in here, but I think these 2. So I'll have 3 more rollouts for next month, and I'll see what I can bring in. I'm starting to run out of cream products that are quick and easy, you guys. I may have to do a usage goal going forward for this project pan. I've never done a usage goal for this project pan. I've always been using things up, completely finish them off. Wow. That is a wake-up call for me. Wow. I did not think of that. I've just used so many of my cream and liquid things that I haven't been buying a lot that to say that I have things that are going to quickly come in and out. So that's awesome. That was my intentions with this project pan. That was my goal, and I am so excited for that, you guys. All right, I've taken up enough of your time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the description box for any information that I have missed, or if you want to check out the other individuals that are doing this project pan. More videos for you on the screen. Until then, adios.